A brand new niche is taking over YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok right now, and most people are completely overlooking it. Creating faceless videos has never been easier, and to be honest, it's the best passive income method you can start in 2026. Channels like Living Wisdom are proof that this works. With over 2.8 million subscribers, they're making thousands of dollars every single month. And the only thing they're doing to achieve that success is creating and uploading videos consistently every day. But here's the thing, that consistency is exactly where most people fail. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to overcome that challenge and automate the entire process so you can finally build a channel that actually makes money. Now, on this channel, I reveal new niches and the latest AI tools to automate them, completely for free. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create high-quality, faceless videos without spending hours editing or breaking the bank on expensive tools. Now listen closely, because this is where most new creators quit. There is a 99% chance that your very first video will not go viral. It's just the reality of starting out. And when that happens, a lot of people give up right there. But if the channel I just mentioned had given up after their first video, they wouldn't be here today making thousands of dollars. You need to push through that initial phase. And that's exactly why having a streamlined, automated process is so important. It keeps you consistent without burning out. Now, here's the challenge nobody talks about. Creating AI-generated faceless videos the traditional way costs money, and it adds up fast. Let me break it down for you. You'll probably use the free version of ChatGPT for scripts, but if you really want a unique channel that stands out, you'll need the paid version, which is $20 a month. Then you need an ultra-realistic AI voice. If you go with 11 Labs, that's another $22 a month. After that, you need high-quality images and visuals. Mid-Journey will run you around $10 a month. And finally, depending on your video editor, you might have to spend even more. Altogether, we're talking about roughly $60 a month. Now that's not a terrible amount, but here's the real cost people forget: your time. Even with those tools, it will still take you hours to create a single 60-second short video. And that's where the problem lies. But what if I told you there's a way to cut both the cost and the time down to almost nothing? That's exactly what I'm revealing today. Now, because I'm always searching for the best tools to automate YouTube and TikTok growth, I found something that completely changes the game. I'm talking about an AI tool that handles everything: script writing, voiceover, visuals, and editing, all in one place. The crazy thing is, it doesn't matter what your niche is. This AI can create videos for any topic you can imagine. The tool I'm introducing today is called SmartShort. And here's why it's so important. First, it generates unique and natural sounding scripts. Most AI scripts sound robotic and lifeless, but this one creates content that actually flows like a real person wrote it. Second, it gives you access to all the ultra-realistic voices from 11 Labs directly inside the platform. And third, it generates images for every single scene exactly the way you imagine them and edits everything together automatically. The result is a fully finished video in minutes, not hours. And because I know the team behind SmartShort, I've secured a special 20% discount for my viewers, which I'll share in just a moment. So now let me show you exactly how this works step by step. First, head over to SmartShort using the link in my description. Once you're in, you'll notice this tool can generate 100% unique videos for any niche or topic you choose. You don't have to worry about image generation, voice selection, or editing, because it does everything for you. You can either use your own script or let the AI create one from scratch. Let's walk through both options so you can see the power of this tool. Start by selecting your language. There are around 16 languages available, so if you're targeting a specific country, you can easily switch. For this example, I'll go with English. Now you'll see they've preloaded specific niches like scary stories, motivation, and more. If your channel fits one of these, you can select it directly. Otherwise, just enter your own prompt. For this first test, I'm going to use a custom prompt from the What If niche. The topic is, what if all humans suddenly disappeared from Earth? Once you've selected your script option, click New Project. Now you're on the main editing dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Copy your script and paste it into the box, then click Next. Next, you need to select an AI voice. SmartShort gives you access to over 50 ultra-realistic voices, including the full library from 11 Labs. Unlike other tools, these voices actually sound human. Take your time and pick one that matches the tone of your niche. For this video, I'll select the voice named Josh, then click Next again. Now this next part is crucial. You'll see an option that says one footage for every 2.5 seconds. This controls how often the video changes images. You can increase or decrease this based on your pacing. For this video, I'll set it to one image every 2.5 seconds. Next, here is voice speed option you can also increase or decrease. Now you'll find 4 powerful options. Enable smooth transitions, activate sound effects, turn on automatic silence removal, and allow simple animations. Trust me, activating all 4 will dramatically increase the quality of your final video. Once you're ready, click Generate. Within just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Let's take a look at what SmartShort created.
Imagine a world where humans vanish in an instant, cities fall silent, and nature begins to reclaim its territory. Skyscrapers crumble as vines weave through cracks. Wildlife roams freely, taking over urban landscapes. Birds nest in abandoned homes, while deer wander through empty streets. Without humans, pollution levels drop dramatically. Air quality improves, and rivers run clear. The planet starts healing. In just a few years, ecosystems flourish, forests expand, and endangered species bounce back. But what happens to our creations? Buildings deteriorate, power plants shut down, and the internet fades into oblivion. The remnants of civilization become relics of a forgotten era. In a century, all traces of humanity may vanish. Roads become overgrown, and landmarks crumble. Future explorers may stumble upon our artifacts, puzzled by our existence. What would they think? Would they see us as caretakers or destroyers? The Earth would continue its story, indifferent to our absence. Nature would thrive, but the legacy of humanity would fade away. It's a haunting thought, a world without us, yet full of life.
Honestly, that's incredible. If you've ever tried to create a video like this manually, you know how hard it is to match images to a script perfectly. But SmartShort nailed it. And look at the captions, they even different color automatically, which keeps viewers engaged and watching longer. Now, if you want to customize anything, it's easy. Use the side menu to change text colors, adjust placements, or swap out caption styles. There are dozens of pre-made templates to choose from. You can even upload your own images if you want to add something specific. And when you're done, simply download the video with no watermarks. It's really that simple. Now let's try the second option and let SmartShort generate the script for us. I'll start a new project and enter a new prompt. This time, my video will be, what if a big asteroid hit Earth? Within seconds, the AI generates a complete, well-structured script. I'll select Adam's voice, enable the same 4 quality options, and hit Generate.
An asteroid strike could change everything in an instant. Imagine a rock the size of a city barreling toward Earth at unimaginable speeds. The impact would unleash energy millions of times greater than a nuclear bomb. Cities would crumble, and entire ecosystems could collapse. The aftermath would be catastrophic. Dust and debris would fill the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for months or even years. This could lead to a dramatic drop in temperatures, creating a nuclear winter. Crops would fail and food shortages would become a grim reality. Survival would be a race against time. Those in the impact zone would face immediate destruction. But what about the rest of the world? Panic would spread as people scramble for safety and resources. Governments would struggle to maintain order amid chaos. Scientists are tracking near-Earth objects, but what if one slips through? The question looms, are we prepared for such a disaster? The truth is, we might not be. Awareness and prevention are crucial. Understanding the risks could be our best defense against the unknown. Time to think about our planet's future.
Honestly, what do you think? In my opinion, this AI has done an amazing job. The visuals match perfectly, the voice sounds natural, and the pacing is spot on. If you're planning to invest in a tool to scale your YouTube automation, SmartShort is absolutely the best option I've found. Now let's talk about pricing because I know that's important. SmartShort offers 3 packages. The first is $19 a month for 20 short videos. The second is $39 a month for 50 videos. And the Pro Edition is $59 a month for 100 videos. With that top package, you could easily run at least 5 different short-form channels at once. And because I want to make sure my viewers can start without breaking the bank, I reached out to the team and secured an exclusive 20% discount. Just use the link in my description and enter the promo code at checkout. This discount is only available for a limited time, so don't wait too long. Today's video has shown you exactly how to automate your entire video creation process, save hours of editing time, and launch a faceless channel that actually has potential to grow. Now listen closely. The tools are here, the opportunity is wide open, and the only thing standing between you and success is taking that first step. So go ahead, use the link, grab the discount, and start creating. I'll see you in the next video.